Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the SafePal wallet app review for 2025. If you're new to crypto or just exploring wallet options, this is a must-watch before you dive in. With the rising popularity of cryptocurrencies, choosing a secure wallet is crucial, and SafePal has been making waves for its user-friendly design and robust security features. First off, what is SafePal? It's a versatile crypto wallet app that offers both software and hardware solutions, allowing you to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. One of the standout features in 2025 is its enhanced biometric authentication and air-gapped technology, which keeps your assets safe from online threats. This means you can manage your crypto offline, reducing the risk of hacks. Let's talk pros. The app's interface is incredibly intuitive, making it perfect for beginners. It supports a wide range of coins and even integrates with DeFi platforms for seamless transactions. Plus, it's free to download and use, with no hidden fees for basic functions. On the flip side, there are some cons to consider. For instance, advanced users might find it lacking in customization options, and customer support can be hit or miss, especially for non-technical issues. Also, while it's secure, you still need to be vigilant about phishing attacks. Before you start using SafePal, remember to set up your recovery phrase properly and enable two-factor authentication right away. In 2025, the app has been updated with better cross-device syncing, which is a game-changer for multi-platform users. Overall, I recommend SafePal for those prioritizing security and simplicity. It's a solid choice for everyday crypto management, but always do your own research and test it out first. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.